up and now you're gone. Gary, I'm sorry I neglected you. Oh, I never expected you to run away and leave me feeling this empty. Your meow right now would sound like music to me. Please come home, 'cause I miss you, Gary. Gary, come home. Gary, come home. Gary, can't you see I was blind? I'll do anything to change your mind.
Yeah, bud. She's bolted down or something. Thanks, G. Yo, what up? It's Casey Starling. Dropping a bike check.
No, this is great. This is
these bike parts. Starting with the frame, I have the Kink Tactic frame in 20.5 with a 13 backing. Up to the bars, I got 4-piece Kink Eagle bars with premium Chad Curly signature grips. I have the Kink track stem. It comes in 50mm reach. I ride the Kink Vogue forks in 25mm. Down to my wheel, I got the premium curb cutter wheel, Colin Varniak signature. Seat and post, got the Kink Williams corduroy in black. Dialed seat real clean, premium seat post. I got the premium truss out cranks, 160mm, dialed crank slow. And I got premium pedals, slow. Got the Kink Imprint sprocket 28 tooth all the way. To the back end, I have the curb cutter rim laced to the premium planetary hub. It's an instant engagement filter, which is sick. I also have 4.5 pegs and the premium Chad Curly signature side.